Good afternoon to you. We've got mild conditions again today. Temperatures above average for the time of year, like yesterday. Breezy and cloudy out there with outbreaks of rain to come in the next 24 hours ahead of Storm Amy, which makes its mark come the end of the week. Exceptionally strong winds by then, with an amber warning for those winds across the far northwest of Scotland. In the meantime, this is the earlier satellite and radar picture. Extensive cloud, the rain already setting in across parts of Western Scotland and Northern Ireland. The rain has been relentless across the western side of Scotland in the last 48 hours. Pouring rain once more today, extending through these Irish Sea coastal spots and Northern Ireland. Brisk winds from the south will keep it mild, even with a lack of sunshine and lots of cloud. Highs of 20 degrees or so, well above average for the start of October. And the rain continues across the north and the west to end the day and transfers its way into the southeast overnight. So here, a soggy start to the new day, further rain into the west, otherwise drier with misty low cloud and staying mild. Staying mild out there, temperatures above average for the time of year. Breezy and cloudy with notable wet weather to come in the next few hours. Ahead of Storm Amy as it approaches from the mid-Atlantic through the latter stages of tomorrow. The gusts of wind are likely to peak through Friday night. Widespread gales for many of us, the most damaging gusts of wind likely across the northwest of Britain and Northern Ireland, where an amber warning is in place for those strong winds across the northwest of Scotland. We've got a wet start to the day across the southeast and then misty low cloud for some with the moisture left in the air. The winds start to strengthen through the course of tomorrow as Storm Amy approaches from the mid-Atlantic, and together with the increasingly strong winds, we've got widespread wet weather to come. The rain persistent and heavy, and the winds likely to peak through tomorrow night, particularly across the northwestern stretches of Britain and Northern Ireland. As for the next few hours, the remnants of the overnight rain across the southeast trailing back into the northwest of Scotland, the first signs of rain into Northern Ireland, and with the mild moist conditions, misty low cloud to start the new day, relatively mild as we slide into Friday morning, with any brighter breaks in short supply, staying quite murky and grey across the southeast with a chance of some fog, and then that area of rain making some headway from west to east through the course of the day, challenging if you're having to travel. Lots of surface water and spray on the roads, the rain persisting for much of the day, together with strengthening winds. Strong gusts for all of us, particularly in exposed spots, widespread gales, damaging gusts. We're likely to see the focus of the strongest winds across the northwest of Britain and Northern Ireland, with an amber warning for those strong winds across the far northwest of Scotland. Highs of around about 19 to 20 degrees at best. Not that we'll notice the temperatures with so much going on. Staying mild for the time of year, temperatures above average for early October. Some misty low cloud forming tonight and turning increasingly windy and wet. Storm Amy approaches from the mid-Atlantic as we end the week. The strongest gusts of wind likely through the tail end of Friday and Friday night. The focus for those strongest winds across the northwest of Scotland, where we've got an amber warning in place. In the meantime, rain transferring its way from west to east overnight, slow to shift from the southeast into the new day and trailing back into the northwest of Scotland, with the mild moist air, misty low cloud as well as some fog to start in the new day, and we'll see a further batch of rain sneaking in from the west come dawn. Elsewhere, a drier respite. The misty low cloud taking a while to lift, if at all, from parts of the south and the east, and the rain becoming extensive from the west through the afternoon. Several hours of pouring and steady heavy rain, gusty winds strengthening all the while. The strongest gusts likely across the northwest, disruption likely, and for many staying mild.